In this video, I will show you how to record screen and audio on OBS Studio. Open your OBS Studio on your computer. The default look will be something like this. Next, go to the source area and click on the plus button here. This will show you all the options for recording. We will be using the display capture option to record the screen and audio. Click OK to add this to the source tab. Leave the settings to default and click OK. Before recording, you can go to the settings option to make minor changes. Head over to the output tab, and over here you can change the quality of the video, audio bitrate, where the files are stored, and so on. Once you are happy with the settings, you can click on the Start Recording button to record the screen and audio. You can then click on Stop Recording to finish it. Then, go to your folder to find the video, which will be named from year, month, day, and time. That is about it. This example has no audio as I have muted the background music.